Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant delight treat to your baby girls. So I am on the right point. I have been sharing and I hope that you have guessed it right. Yes, I am sharing in my today's video beautiful creative hand embroidery designs for dresses of your baby girls, like hand embroidered frocks, like shorts, even sleeveless baby girl frocks, summer dresses. So creative and stylish ethnic wears for festivities like Eid wear, any type of other festivals as well. So these are very beautiful, elegant, and stylishly created to give you a more creative overview for designing the dresses of your baby girls. And the creativity and uniqueness of these dresses doesn't lies only in the hand embroidery patterns and color combinations of the fabric, along with the different type of embroidery threads being used, but also a very beautiful treat to the ones who are in search of very beautiful and creative design patterns of overall dress making, along with the help of with the art of stitching as well. So you can use these patterns for a wide variety of numbers and a wide variety of reasons for designing your baby girl dresses, even the dresses of your teenagers, ranging from your toddlers towards mid-range babies towards teenagers. All of the design patterns are exquisitely, elegantly suitable for all of them, along with a very beautiful treat of stitching patterns and design ideas also. So I hope that you have liked today's patterns and designing ideas. If you really like them, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribe from as many as other devices as you could, so that we could grow up into a larger and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching.